I stand here now in my full power, rooted in truth, grounded in light, and guided by my highest self. I call upon the divine, my ancestors, my guides, my angels, and the energy of the universe to surround me in protection, clarity, and unconditional love. I ask that all cords, contracts, attachments, and energetic ties that are no longer aligned with my soul's highest path be revealed, dissolved, and released now with grace and compassion. To every soul, every person, every situation, every belief, in every timeline I am still energetically connected to that drains, diminish, or distort my essence. I release you. I honor the lessons. I bless the connection, and I now declare it complete. Where there was pain, I invite peace. Where there was confusion, I welcome clarity. Where there was fear, I now anchor trust. I ask that all emotion, residue, trauma, patterns, and energy that do not belong to me be gently returned to its source, transmuted into love and learning. With every breath, I call back my power. With every exhale, I surrender what is not mine to carry. I cut these cords through all dimensions, timelines, and layers of my being, past, present, and future. I untangle myself from any illusions, projection, and karmic ties that were born out of fear, guilt, obligation, or attachment. I reclaim my energy. I reclaim my body. I reclaim my voice. I reclaim my joy. I reclaim my wholeness. I forgive those who have harmed me, knowingly or unknowingly. I forgive myself for always I allowed harm to continue. I now rise in the frequency of love, sovereignty, and light. I am not bound by the past. I am not defined by the pain. I am free. May only love remain. May only truth remain. May only what serves my evolution in inner peace remain. And so it is, and so it shall be. I am whole, I am sovereign, I am free.